This is part 2. I sharpened my pencil. You write whatever your name is, road trip. So this is how it looks. Can you see it? MIAS is road trip. First, go to the first page, like this. Then part 3. But first, before I stop recording, this video is 2 seconds long. This video is 12 seconds long. Follow